Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine. Thanks for stumbling on my video. In today's video, I have a random Dollar Tree haul. I wasn't gonna show it to you at first, but I'm like, you know what? If they're nosy like me, they're gonna wanna know what I bought. We got these containers. And I got these because I've been like experimenting and making my own chunky glitters and things like that. I thought that they'd be good containers to put the glitters in for now. And my mom got this for me. It's a sports armband case. So you put your phone in here, of course, when you're working out or going for a run or what have you, and then you put it around your arm. And I picked up an Allen's peach cocktail juice. This juice is so yummy. I actually put like a splash of it when I'm making smoothies. I'll put like a splash of it in there. Needed some more olive oil. That's usually the only kind of oil that I'll cook with. Well, this one's vegetable and extra virgin olive oil, but for the most part, I usually cook with olive oil. And I got 2 packs of sesame seed snacks. I love these things. They're so freaking yummy. For those of you that have been following me for a while on my old channel, you know that I love these makeup wipes. They're by Global Beauty Care and they're makeup cleansing wipes, and they have aloe vera extract. So there's 30 wipes in each pack. Then I got 2 sets of face cloths. So they came 2 in a pack, gray and black. Oh my gosh, these candles smell so good. They're by Luminescence, and it's a pack of 4. These are called Coastal Breeze. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let me just open. Oh, that's what they look like. Oh gosh, it smells really good. It's really strong. I got a box of tissues for my office at work, because my nose is always running at work. Like, I don't know, there must be something in the air or whatever. I thought this would be cute for Halloween. So I got this. It's a scarf. It has like pumpkins and little cats on it. I don't like spicy stuff, but I got a hot and spicy noodle bowl, and it has shrimp in it. I hope it's not that hot, because I don't do well with hot stuff. And I got these. These are chow mein premium teriyaki beef flavored noodles. I got 2 of those. And 1 flavor of the teriyaki chicken. I actually like these for lunch. Shouldn't be eating these, but I'm gonna eat them anyways. They're yogurt covered raisins. Oh my god, they're so good. Don't tell Julian, okay? Because he'd be so mad if he knew I was eating these. Ooh. So shh, we'll keep that between us, right? That's everything to my Dollar Tree haul. If you like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, as cheesy as they are. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and give me a big old thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!